I am Yusuf Memon from Matiari Sindh, Pakistan. Today I tell you a story of Caliph Harun Rashid. Caliph Harun Rashid was a famous Islamic caliph. He ruled over Baghdad. He is famous in history for his wisdom and justice. At night, he would disguise himself as a common man and go through the streets of Baghdad. He did so in order to gain first-hand knowledge of the difficulties and the problems of the people. One day, when he was holding court, two men were brought before him by the Qazi. These two men were a rich man and a beggar. There was a dispute between these two men. It was about the ownership of a beautiful white horse. Qazi could not decide because each one of them was claiming and swearing that the horse was his. So he brought them before the Caliph. When he reached the Caliph, he said to him that he had brought before him a dispute which he could not settle. The Caliph asked what was the dispute. He told him that the dispute was between those two men. The Caliph ordered them to explain their position one by one. So both of them explained their positions. After hearing both of them, he at once ordered them to touch the horse one by one. When the beggar touched the horse, it winced, as if it did not like his touch. But when the rich man touched the horse, it snorted and neighed with pleasure. The Caliph announced that the horse was his, means the horse belonged to the rich man. He reprimanded the beggar severely and said that he was a liar and a wicked man. He tried to rob an honest and respectable citizen. He deserved severe punishment, but he would be merciful to forgive him on the condition that he beg pardon from the rich man. The beggar hurriedly begged his pardon from the rich man. The rich man not only pardoned him, but gave him a handful of gold coins also. This noble action of the rich man pleased everybody in the court. This story tells us an important lesson about fairness and wisdom. As the Caliph decided that case with his intelligence, so it proves that a true leadership is seeing beyond the appearance. Thank you very much.